Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Halloween spider cake using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. First take the brown color and mold it into a ball shape. You can split the ball into two parts. Since we are going to make a cake base, you can shape them into a triangle shape. Do the same with the orange color. After that, I place triangle shapes onto themselves. You can use scrunched aluminium foil to make the cake's texture. Next, we are going to make a purple glaze, which will be placed on the top of a cake base. We are going to make some Halloween-inspired details on the top of the cake. I made spider's web and spider out of a black color. I started with making a spider's web out of a thin rolled black clay. You can make the spider by rolling two balls of black clay and attach 6 legs. If you want your spider to have eyes, you can add 2 tiny balls of white color. And then you can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Halloween spider cake looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!